All they can do is wait. A live look at Port Huron, where thousands of trucks are backed up for more than 10 miles.
They are waiting to cross the Blue Water Bridge. Their plan B, actually, at this point for many of them, for getting into Canada. And it tops our news tonight at 6. The Ambassador Bridge normally carries 25% of all trade between the U.S. and Canada, and that's closed for the third straight day.
There's still no access to the part of the bridge that leads into Canada. There is some traffic on the side leading into the U.S. The cause of the closure is a blockade by people protesting vaccine mandates in Canada.
Mayor Dilkin's asking for time, but meanwhile, trucks have been rerouted to the Blue Water Bridge at Port Huron, causing huge backups there.
From Sky 4, the backups are visible for miles, 10 miles according to Google Maps, right here where I-94 and I-69 converge. From the ground, the images are driven home. Thousands upon thousands of trucks sitting, idling, waiting to cross the Blue Water Bridge. As truckers try to find detours through the country roads, they're meeting roadblocks like this one. 3 automotive manufacturers in town. Ford is having issues, so is GM and Stellantis. The Ford engine plant over in Windsor has been shut down. The GM Delta Township plant up near Lansing canceled second shift.
Tim, Ford Motor Company actually just released this statement to our newsroom, and it reads in part, quote, "We hope this situation is resolved quickly because it could have widespread impact on all automakers in the U.S. and Canada."
Right, we're here in Windsor. You can hear "O Canada" perhaps being played over the loudspeaker. Now, just over my shoulder is the Ambassador Bridge. You can see lots of Canadian flags. We've got trucks, minivans, pickup trucks, cars, all blocking that portion of the Ambassador Bridge. That's where trucks would be coming over the bridge from the United States into Canada. It's completely shut down right now. We're here at the intersection of Huron Church and College, and you can see as well that normally the truckers will be coming right out of there. We've got kids playing hockey. There's Canadian flags. People here speaking tonight about their freedoms, wanting freedom. They've been here for now 3 days occupying this intersection, going on its 3rd day occupying this intersection. It's having local, international ramifications, and Windsor's mayor tonight saying that occupying Ottawa is one thing, but shutting down the Ambassador Bridge is a completely different level.
You have 100 people who are holding hostage part of our national economy. That is why this could not be allowed to be sustained for any length of time.
North America's busiest international border crossing brought to a halt. 1.6 million commercial vehicles crossed the Ambassador Bridge last year. It's a main supply route for everything from food and agriculture to car manufacturing parts.
The only way that they're going to listen is by exercising our right to peaceful assembly and to make our voice heard, because it's not fair that people are losing their jobs, whether it's truckers or nurses or our police services people.
And now these protesters have the attention of Ottawa and Washington. If protesters at the Ambassador Bridge are breaking the law, some are asking the Windsor police why they aren't enforcing it.
Our priority is public safety and keeping the peace in the area, and the actions that we take will prioritize that.
Windsor's top cop adding that the police force is in constant conversation with the protest organizers from the various groups here, which has resulted in one lane of traffic opening up to cross the bridge into the USA, but all trucks bound for Canada have been halted, with many being diverted to the Blue Water Bridge in Sarnia.
I spent last night at the Sarnia border, about 10 hours.
Are you concerned that because this border crossing is so important to the economy that police could come in and use force?
They could. I guess it's a possibility.